Page 165. Tar éis na scoile cúig gráinne abhaile, bhí mia in éineacht léithí. Chúla mé go raibh fir an teilifíse ag iarraí agaibh a dhéanamh leat ar sa mamaí gráinne. Bhí siad ag iarraí ach stop an príomhaide iad ar sa gráinne. A gráinne. An bhfuil is agat cá bhfuil Kemi, Liam agus Thomas ar sa mamaí. Níl is agam cá bhfuil siad a bhamí ar sa gráinne. Tá na Paolíní ag teacht an seo amárach chun labhairt ling ar sa mamaí. Ach, a bhamí, amárach an sathairn agus tá na mílte rud le déanamh agam ar sa gráinne. Beidh siad an seacht sa tróna. Ní cuirfidh siad isteach nó amach ar do chatham aimsire ar sa dadaí gráinne. Éistigí a chalíní, tá gá thicéad agam díobse don scanán nua sa Victorlin. Tá sé ar siúl ar an scáileán trí hiseach ar sa mamaí. Bhí gráinne agus mia ar bís. Bhí gach duine ag caint faoin scanán nua. Cúig siad isteach sa Victorlin agus bhallaigh siad na spéaclaí trí hiseach. Ansin ceannaigh siad pop ábhar agus deoch an duine. Theas siad sa scúine. Díag ar níag bhog siad I dtreo an doras. Nuair a thuig siad ar na siacán cuir siad na spéaclaí orthu. Bhí sé an rialaíoch. Bhí sé thar bar. Hatan sé go mór leis na Cailíní. Lean an scanán ar feadh 2 uair go le. Bhí scetamíní áthas ar na Cailíní ag teacht amach as an Victorlin. Bhallaigh siad iad taobh amuigh den Victorlin agus imeán sí a bhaile iad. Is tríoch sa chisteann thosaigh na Cailíní ag caint le chéile. Cad atá cur steachart a gráinne ar sa mia. Caithfidh mé a rá le mamaí cad atá ar siúl ag mo chairde, go bhfuil siad ar an mbealach go dtí an Astráil le róg agus go raibh mé deangmháil lo ar sa gráinne. A bhfuil tú cinnte faoi seo ar sa mia. Tá mé lán cinnte ar sa gráinne. Chúil mamaí isteach sa chisteann. A bhamí, tá rud éigean le rá agam leat ar sa gráinne. After school, Grania went home. Mia was with her. I heard that a television crew wanted to interview you, said Grania's mum. They wanted to, but the principal stopped them, said Grania. Grania, do you know where Kemi, Liam and Thomas are? Asked Mummy. I don't know where they are, Mum, said Grania. The police are coming here tomorrow to speak with you, said Mummy. But Mum, tomorrow is Saturday and I have 1,000 things to do, said Grania. They will be here in the evening. It will not affect your pastimes, said Grania's daddy. Listen, girls, I have 2 tickets free for the new film in the cinema. It will be on the 3D screen, said Mummy. Grania and Mia were excited. Everybody was talking about the film. They went into the cinema and they collected their 3D glasses. Then they bought popcorn and a drink for everyone. They stood in the queue. Little by little they moved in the direction of the door. When they sat on their seats, they put the glasses on them. It was very realistic. It was excellent. They enjoyed it a lot. The movie continued on for 2 hours and a half. The girls were very excited coming out of the cinema. Mum collected them outside the cinema and she drove home. In the kitchen, the girls started talking together. What's bothering you, Grania? Said Mia. I have to tell Mammy what's happening with my friends, that they are on the way to Australia with Rogue and that I was in contact with them, said Grania. Are you sure about that? Said Mia. I am 100% sure, said Grania. Mommy walked into the kitchen. Ma'am, I have something to tell you, said Grania. Some grammar. In éineacht léithí, with her léithí because it's a girl. An bhfuil is a gut, do you know? We use a gut because it's do you. The chatham aimsire, the the creates the H. Éistigí when you're talking to more than one. Tá gá thicéad. Ga creates the H here. Saf Victorlin, the Sa creates the H. Idro, the I creates the D. Fi skehmini ahas erna kalini. The children were excited. We use when we're talking about an emotion. Asan Victorlin, out of the cinema. Asan creates the B. Kadatai course Jock Ort. What's bothering you? You. We use Ort because it's you. On Malak. On creates the M. I Jangval. The I creates the D. Tarudegan la ra gum lat. I have something to tell you. A gum for I have, lat to tell you.